Hey there, awesome folks. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. I am in the car, as per usual. Unfortunately, most of my videos now have been in the car because this is when I'm finding myself with time. I'm wanting to talk to you guys today about choosing to make the career that you want your own, and not what anybody else has defined it to be. I myself, as I've been hinting at, have been going through a transition, and part of my transition is making choices to gain my time back. And one of the ways I'm doing that is actually Ubering right now. So, that's something normally I wouldn't reveal that much information, but I want you guys to keep in mind that, of course, with every choice you make career-wise, there you have responsibilities that you need to take care of. But I made the choice to go this direction because, number one, you don't ever, or I don't ever want to put myself in a position career-wise where a particular company, after a while, owns my time. I am making that transition from being a regular employee. There's nothing wrong with being an employee as long as you understand what it comes with. And I'm at the point now in my career and in my life where owning my time is way more important, because unfortunately you can always make more money, you can't get any more time. And that is more valuable to me at this point. So I am making strides and steps, and Ubering is one of the ways, and there's other things that I'm working on. But I want you guys to know that in your journey, in your career, you are making choices to make sure that it fits your life, your needs, and what it is you want as a career goal. If you look at your career goal and it requires you to go to school or requires you to do a certification, because there's a lot of careers now that don't require a college degree. I have one, but it's in a lot of career fields these days, it literally takes you getting a certification, getting some experience either voluntarily or otherwise through an apprenticeship. A lot of fields you can be way more, you can become ultimately very successful in a lot of trade and a lot of soft skill careers by going that route instead of going the college route. So whenever you're making a career choice, always, I'm going to specify, always do your research. Don't always just go for the school that's most convenient. Go for the school that you can, number one, afford, so you can not put yourself in financial straits with financial aid. If you're able to get free money to go to school, do it, because paying the student loans aren't loyal. They're only loyal to you paying them. That's it. And I want you to also understand that in everything you're doing, the career has to fit you. And if you're at the point now where you're not sure what that is or where you are with it, you can definitely go to mentorshelley.com/services/career services, career strategy, my bad, where we can work together one-on-one to figure out what your career path is going to be. If you're not quite sure yet and you're still wanting to at least get started with that path, I do still have the guide for free. You can go to mentorshelley.com/DCG, which is a dream career guide. So I don't know what your dream is, but I can help you figure it out. You can use the guide to start that process. However, to go further and to get a full comprehensive plan, then we can work together to do that. The book is still going through editing stages. You can definitely pre-order by going to mentorshelley.com/pre-order. And once it comes out, then anyone that pre-orders the book will also be getting a free gift from me. All right, guys, take care. I just wanted to stop by and let you guys know this is not, I'm not, there's going to be a steady schedule from now on. At the very least, you'll be getting one video on Wednesday and one video, hopefully when I'm able to go live in other places, because I can't do it on YouTube right now. But you have to be eligible, and I'm not eligible yet. So we're going to, keep doing these videos until I get to that point. And of course, if this information is helpful, definitely share the mentorshelley.com /contact. And if you have questions, you can always ask me those questions either through voicemail on that page by clicking the gray tab on the right side of the bar, on that website, or you can leave me a message at the, you can leave me a comment at the bottom of this video. And of course, if you have other, issues, or, you're just wanting to, contribute to the channel. If you're looking to, maybe say you want me to discuss a particular topic career-wise and job-wise and economic-wise, then we can definitely do that. You can leave a comment below, and you can also leave me a message at mentorshelley.com/contact as well. And of course, this is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally, as I'm going through that journey, so I can help you through that journey as well. All right, guys, take care. You have a good one. Bye.